Today we're going to learn how to do the skin retouching in Photoshop. So the first thing that we have to do is to create two copies by pressing Ctrl J. You can turn off the top layer and select the bottom layer. Now before applying any filter, don't forget to use Convert to Smart Object so that we can change the values later. Now go to the filter and then noise and then median. Now the great part of this technique of blurring is that make sure the edges are contained. Let's keep it at a value where everything becomes evened out. So at about I would say 110 to 130. Now hit OK. Now we will add noise to it. But first press Ctrl, Shift and now the new layer dialog box shows up. Change the mode from normal to overlay and make sure no neutral color is selected. Hit OK. Now you can see new layer is created. Now before going further, we have to apply Convert to Smart Object. Now we have to go to the filter again, select noise, and then add noise. Well, you can choose as much noise as you want to add, but for this one, let's keep it at about 30 to 40. Well, you have to make sure that it's uniform and monochromatic. Now hit OK. And now go to the filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Now for this one, we can go around 1.6 or 2.5. Now hit OK. And now let's turn on the second layer. And now go to the filter, Convert to Smart Object, and then hit OK. Go to the filter again, Other, and then High Pass. And now slowly and gradually increase it and stop it at the point where you begin to see the halos. In this case, I would suggest you to choose the exact number that you had chosen for Gaussian blur. And now all you have to do is to change the blend mode to linear light. And now you have to press Shift and then select all of them. And then press Ctrl G to make a group. And now it's all done. You just have to press Alt key and click on the mask button to create a negative mask. And now you can take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white and the brush is soft. Now just paint over the areas where you want to apply it. Like, look at this. Isn't it so amazing? Now one thing you need to look out is for edges. If you think it is harsh, you can decrease the opacity of anything. Like you can decrease the opacity of noise and overall. And now here's the before and here's the after. Let me know what you guys think about it.